It up this quick, I kill it now. I lose my mind, that's why you feel it now. This shit, I got it, no, I drill it out. It took a couple of years to figure out. And all the progress that I've been making, creeping and running till the bass is shaking. There's nothing in my mind, I ride it faking. You'll be my zero patient. Build it up just to break it down.
Oh my god!
Build it up just to break it down. I run it back, my back is spinning, body grooving. Hey, what's the reason other people out of options tuning? I'm going online now, I got like everybody moving. Okay, like moon, our asses in the sky, the I get it going crazy. In this shit, I got it racing, heart palpitation. Inhale, then I exhalate it. Cold is quiet, it's that silence. Take that days off, now I feel, yeah, really out of there. The boots, they too fucking big feel, yeah. Goddamn, when they full on rain, now y'all know what's the drill, yeah. Keep it running till like every song I make is ill. I got cold and icy moving.
Yo, what is up? Alright. We're going to be starting here soon. Let me get into this Twitter space. It should have already started though. Yeah, we're doing the Twitter space, which is something new. But why can't I join it? This is odd. Oh, why do I have the freaking ad? Okay, here, hold on. Okay, here we go, we're in. Alright, I'm gonna make myself dude, how the hell do I stop the music here? Bruh. Alright, we're starting here. Co-host can do this. Okay. Test 1 2 3. Seems like we're working here. How do we turn off the music on this? Welcome in, Alfaro. Alright, I'm trying to figure out how we could turn off the music, bro. How do you turn off the background music? I don't understand. W Moondance is co-nameable. Well, we're starting a Twitter space here for the first time for the episodes. But how the hell do we turn off the freaking music, bro? Why the heck is music playing? Dude, like it doesn't give me an option to turn off music. It's so weird. Well, anyway, we could invite Joe Boy now because he's gonna be co-hosting with us. Let's see here. Speakers. Dude, the music is still on. How do we turn the music off? I don't want it there at all. Dude, that's what I'm saying, unnameable. I honestly do not know how to turn it off. Well, we gotta get unnameable. I mean, not unnameable. Joe Boy here. Oh, you know what? I just realized. It should not be echoing. It shouldn't be echoing. That's weird. Not sure why it's echoing. Why is it playing back the sound onto my mic? We're figuring out Twitter Space as we go here. I've been having a lot of issues with Twitter Spaces just from like joining them. Okay, the input is the chat. So I shouldn't be hearing myself. Why do I hear myself from the Twitter Space? That doesn't make sense. Well, regardless, that's fine. It's not terrible, right? Right. See, what? That's so weird. Why am I hearing myself? We'll just have to turn this all off. Okay. This is odd. We're gonna leave here. We left the Twitter space, okay? Oh, Joe Boy's here. I'm gonna make him a co-host. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right, I'm talking here now. There we go. Wait. Okay. All right, I'm talking here now. Where is that audio coming from? Wait. Where is that audio coming from? What? This makes no sense. I'm not even speaking and I can hear myself replay back. What? This makes no sense. I'm not even speaking and I can hear myself replay back.
Yo. Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear Joe Boy.
You sound crazy.
You can hear me in the Twitter space? I don't know what's happening. I'm muted on this Twitter space, but I'm hearing myself play back. Okay, I can hear Joe Boy. You can hear me in the Twitter space? I don't know what's happening. I'm muted on this Twitter space, but I'm hearing myself play
Yeah,
back.
I also hear that. I can hear you, but it sounds like I don't know, weird audio.
That's crazy because
But it also shows you're muted also, so
that doesn't make any sense, bro. Okay. That's crazy because that doesn't make any sense, bro. So off time, yeah, I know the audio is weird.
are you connected with Moondance and your Ghost Cat account? Is that causing the issue?
I think I fixed the problem.
I'm not sure.
Okay, I think I fixed the problem. You should only hear me once now.
Yeah, you're much clearer. Normal.
Okay.
Normal now.
I don't know what the problem was, dude. Like,
Yeah, that was crazy.
It was
like,
just it was just messing up.
Yeah, it was like you're inside a room and echoing or something.
Yeah. Okay, we're good. We got that settled. Dude, Twitter Spaces have been really difficult to deal with, but I mean, whatever.
I've only listened. I've never partaked in one.
Yeah, it's been really odd. It's like sometimes when you join, you can't hear certain speakers.
Oh, okay, yeah. I usually listen on my phone too, so this is the first time like on my PC doing it.
Okay. Well, it sounds good. You sound fine.
Okay, good.
I assume the music turned off because that was mad annoying. I don't know how that freaking turned on. All right, so today for episode 3 of the Moondance podcast, we're gonna just be going over the white paper we just made. There's a lot of stuff in there, a lot of juicy things on what we have planned and what's going on and everything. So it's gonna be good to go over it, answer some questions, whatnot.
Yeah, I gotta pull up. I'm ready to learn.
Let's go. Let's find it here. Boom. So you can find the white paper on our website on the roadmap area within the website, and you just click on the white paper and it'll pop up. But here it is, version 1 of our white paper. We got the table of contents here. It's Twitter that's slow. Yeah, Twitter is kind of slow when it comes to like listening to people. I know sometimes like you'll hear someone talk, but then you'll see people react to stuff that hasn't been said yet. So like I never know if it's my Wi-Fi or theirs.
Are you streaming also right now?
Yeah, so we're on
Okay,
Twitch
I'll
and
pull you
YouTube.
up.
Yeah. We are on everything. Just try and get it out there, you know? Oh, you know what? Let me actually... Well, I was going to post about it, but we can do... Oh, well, whatever. So I will save the introduction of the whitelist for everyone to go and look at it themselves. That's something y'all gotta read yourself. That's our intro. Everything that I like wanted for the project and what we're all about and everything. Yeah, there's the link for it in the chats. If you guys are on Twitch or YouTube or even in the Discord, all the commands work. So we have our gaming overview here. Now we're going to be making 2 projects. And we'll go over the first one. The first one's going to be a raffle game, kind of like how Marbles on Stream works. The whole idea behind this was to like mainly get token gated raffles that we can have for holders, because we've been doing a few of those. So like the idea with this is to have like an easier way for people to participate without having to like double check their wallets and to see how many they have, because each NFT asset counts as your like a raffle ticket. So if you have 5 space cats, you get 5 tickets in a raffle. So that's the main idea for this game. But it's also going to be used, it could be used by anybody. So like if Joe Boy wants to use it for his stream, if he has like random raffles, anyone's going to be able to go into his chat and type like the exclamation mark play and then join the raffle. So I think
this sounds awesome. I was excited to hear about this one.
yeah, I'm pretty sure, I'm like 75% sure this is going to be the first game integrated with Twitch. For sure Solana. I don't know any other game that's integrated right now. I tried looking some up, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is something pretty new. So I'm excited for that because it's going to be a first for Web3 and then a first for Solana to be integrated with Twitch like that.
So like you compare it to like Marbles on stream, so it is going to be a game like that where you'd pull it up, say if you're streaming.
Yeah.
Pull it up like you'd pull up Marbles, and then through the Twitch chat, people would be able to
exactly
enter in the game. Okay, yeah,
exactly.
That's awesome.
And I'm hoping maybe later I can have it for YouTube too, because I know people stream on YouTube. Because there's not a lot.
There was going to be wallet connecting also within that.
Yeah, so
the holders and everything for the tickets.
Yeah, and it's gonna be it's gonna be browser based too. So it's easily accessible for anyone. I don't want like to have to worry about downloading because I know with all the other ones you got to download. So this one's gonna be browser based, really easy to set up for anyone. But yeah, so if you want to make an account and like connect your wallet, you're gonna be able to sign up with either Twitter, Discord, or Twitch. And then once you're signed up with either those 3 accounts, you're going to be able to connect all of them and then be able to connect your Solana wallet, which will read your wallet. And then next time you enter a raffle through that someone is hosting, you'll see your NFT asset on stream, like whenever you join. And that'll work for any raffle you join, whether it's token gated or not. If you have your wallet connected, you'll be able to see your character on screen.
Oh, nice. That's awesome.
Yeah, so I think it'll be cool too, because then you'll, like, if other people use it and someone who has NFTs plays, they'll be like, oh, snap, that's sick. How do I get one? You know?
Well, you could also use this as a raffle without the token gated wallet part of it, right?
Yeah, for sure. So, like, if someone uses it for a regular raffle, but then someone who does have their wallet connected and has an NFT, they'll still be able to see it, on any raffle, regardless of it being token gated or not.
Yeah, that's sweet. I like that.
Mm-hmm. I do have like a little mock-up that I made. I have a little clip of it too, but in the white paper, I have a rough example of what it'll look like, so you get the idea of how it'll be. Essentially, you'll have your characters on screen, and there'll be like waves of meteors coming down, and the last one surviving wins the raffle. And the game title is Soul Survivor on Stream. Because, it's going to be Solana-based collection. And you got to be the last one to win.
Yeah, no, I like the name.
So that's going to be the first one.
That little mock-up is what you're on now?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was on. I was just making sure I was on the same page.
Yeah. It'll look a little different, obviously. That's just like a 2D like example of what it would look like. It'll probably be more like 3D looking. We're actually going to be working with Hello Moon to develop this one. So they're like a group of Solana developers. Let me search them up here on Twitter. But they're a group of Solana developers. I've already spoken with them, so they do have the capabilities to make everything that I like just described right now. So once we're able to, we're gonna do a call with them and then finalize it and then start that. But that's scheduled to be like around Q3 right now of this year.
Yeah, that's exciting though.
So that'll be the first one. This is gonna be like it's a lot more simple and easy to make than our other game, but I feel like this is gonna be like pretty big, and this will be like a big way of how we're gonna get eyes on our project. But I'm really excited because it's gonna have that Twitch integration to play and enter raffles.
Yeah, and who doesn't love marbles on stream? I always love it.
Dude,
when
it's
people do
so
those for giveaways.
popular, yeah, and it's fun. So I want it to be like fun too, like a whole new way to do raffles, something different. But it's browser based, so it's also going to be a lot easier for people to use, not having to like launch up Steam and a whole other game while you're already streaming, if that's what you're doing, if you're already playing a game. Because like it's hard to run both at the same time.
Yeah, no, I agree with that.
So it's gonna be a lot easier for people to use and get onboarded. So that'll be the first one we get done and out. Now our flagship game is gonna be the second one that we're gonna be outputting, and our title for that one is Omniversal Royale. So I went with that name because it is gonna be in that battle royale genre, but the name is because of the map. So the map's gonna be on like a globe, a sphere, which is gonna be like a moon that players are gonna be battling it out on, and which kind of goes into the name of like being omnidirectional. So that's where that plays in. But then also the last bit of Sol refers to the Solana because we're using Solana. And then the name also suggests that we have like multiple universes within the game, because I do eventually want to integrate other collections, because that's like a huge part of Web3 and what like I love about it is being able to integrate a ton of collections, like what Pixels is doing. Like that's
it truly is amazing.
Yeah,
I think it's like the best thing going on right now in Web3 is all the integrations.
Because then like you're supporting other communities that are like they buy one asset, and like being able to use it in other multiple games is huge, bro.
Yeah, and it's like bringing life to like some of these PFP collections, giving them more purpose.
Yeah, there's actually a lot that are integrated. I was looking around. There's a lot of collections that are being integrated in games, and I think it's really awesome to broaden up your community and player base. Because I know a lot of like content creators, they're like, we gotta focus on Web 2 player base and stuff. But I think we gotta like please our community that we have right now, the niche community, like the Web 3 people that enjoy it.
Exactly.
Because then like you gotta be both. You can't just focus on gameplay and ignore the Web 3 side of it. 'Cause then just build a Web 2 game. Why are you even in this space? But yeah, so that's the name, Omniversal Royale. That's what we're going with, and that's how we're gonna be unique amongst that genre of battle royale. Is the map that we have, and then having that Web3 integration like that. So I did draw up a little example of how like the ring is going to be closing around the globe. So it's going to be a comet that strikes, and then it'll slowly engulf the entire map, right? And so you're going to have to survive against that and the other players. So that's the idea of how our circle is going to be working. And it's going to hit a different location each time. But I want to make sure we have like a ton of I want to make sure we have a ton of mechanics for players to use across the map, cuz I need to have like a diverse amount of mechanics, because it kind of sucks when there's like no ledge climbing or no actual swimming or no like
Yeah, I know what you're saying. There's a lot of games right now that you kind of just are like, you either walk, sprint, or jump. That's about it.
And it is hard. Like, dude, like we're already like working on it. Like, adding animations for everything and then having the code for it is really hard, but at the same time it's like once you do one animation for something, it's so easy to add all the other ones once you're already there. So we're working. I want to include all of it like right away, and I also want to include controller support because there's just so many projects being built right now, but not including controller support just to save some time. But I feel like it's super important. It's super important to include.
Yeah, I've asked a lot of projects, and they always just say maybe in the future.
Yeah. So we're already looking into including controller support. That's actually what Unnameable's doing this weekend. He's gonna be working on getting controls down for keyboard and mouse and controllers. So we're already getting started on that. We're working on all the animations. So a lot of stuff we're already doing. I already have like a mock-up of the map in Unity just to get started with that. I think once we have the animations done, all the mechanics, it's going to be a lot easier to implement everything else. So that's that. Those are our 2 games. Let's go. Yes, it'll release with controller. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I was reading at the bottom of the gaming overview section.